All right, so we are live streaming. All right, good afternoon, everyone. The court is now called to order. I'm actually going to ask the clerk to please call the case. I didn't coordinate that with my chamber administrator, but Trina, can you please call the case from the motion pleading? Either Trina or Aaron, if we could just go ahead and please call the case.
I'll go ahead and do it, Your Honor.
All right.
This is Supreme Court matter in re the admission of members to the Guam bar via temporary admission.
All right, it's a special proceeding case, and the applicants are Minji Kim and Jordan Pauluhn. So as mentioned, there is an application for temporary admission to practice as a government attorney. There's a motion of support made in support of your applications by the Attorney General of Guam, Mr. Levin Camacho. And before I ask my colleagues if there is any objection to the application, I'd like to afford the candidates an opportunity, if you could just, for the record, indicate just a brief summary of your background and what are your assignments there at the Attorney General's office. And I will start with you, Minji, Ms. Kim. Go ahead.
My name is Minji Kim. I just graduated from Rutgers Law School in New Jersey in 2019. And my internships during law school were with the United States Air Force JAG and also with the federal government. And now I'm here in Guam and with the prosecution department.
Okay, thank you. And Jordan, if you could just say a brief summary of your background and what are your what's your assignment now at the Office of the Attorney General?
Sure. My name is Jordan Pauluhn. I am now with the Attorney General's Office in the Civil Litigation Division. I come to this job having spent several years at the Supreme Court of Guam as a research attorney. I have my Juris Doctorate from Washington University in St. Louis and an LLM from the European Master in Law and Economics program. And I also had, prior to that, I had spent several years in private practice as well.
Thank you. Thank you, Attorneys Kim and Pauluhn. And at this time, I'm going to ask my colleagues if there's any objection to the application for temporary admission to practice as a government attorney. And this will be a conditional admission pending the completion of the character and fitness report. So for the record, if you could just indicate your position.
Justice Robert Torres, no objection.
Justice Catherine Merriman, I find the candidates qualified for conditional admission and have no objection.
And this is Chief Justice Carbolito, and for the record, I concur with the statements of my colleagues, and I also have no objection. So with that, I'm going to ask the two of you if you could raise your right hand and repeat after me. I solemnly swear
I solemnly
swear
that I will support the Constitution of the United States,
that I will
support the Constitution of the United States,
the Organic Act of Guam,
the
the Organic Act of Guam,
the applicable statutes of the United States,
the applicable
statutes of the United States,
and the laws of Guam.
and the laws of
and the
Guam.
laws of Guam.
That I will maintain the respect due
that I will maintain the respect due
to the courts of justice and judicial officers,
to the courts of justice and judicial offices,
that I will conduct myself honorably
that I will
that I will conduct myself honorably
as an attorney at law,
as an attorney at law,
and that I will abide by
and that
I will abide by
the Guam rules of professional conduct.
the Guam
the
rules
Guam rules of professional conduct.
So let me be the first to congratulate you, Mr. Pauluhn and Ms. Kim, and welcome you to the Guam Bar. And I'd like to extend the opportunity to my colleagues, Justice Torres and Justice Merriman, to also extend their congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations to both of you and welcome to the Guam Bar Association. And we look forward to seeing you practice before us at some point down the road.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations. This is an important day in your career as you join the Guam Bar and begin practicing in this jurisdiction. And I wish each of you that you find fulfillment in your role as an attorney and you have success in your career. Congratulations.
Thank
very
you,
much.
Justice Torres and Justice Merriman. And I can see that your colleagues have started extending their congratulations on the chat. And we wish you all the best in terms of your career there in the Attorney General's office, and of course, your career as lawyers. And we look forward, as indicated by Justice Torres and Justice Merriman, that you will appear in the courts of Guam, and in particular, we look forward to arguments in front of the Supreme Court of Guam. So all the best. And do you want to say a few words, Ms. Kim? I'll start with you.
No, Your Honor. Thank you very much for having me here.
Okay, that's fine. And Jordan, you have quite a number of former colleagues that are witnessing your swearing in.
Thank you for everyone that's attended to watch Minji and I get sworn in. You know, this is a real honor to have, you know, albeit a little bit different now that we have to do it on Zoom. But I appreciate everybody being here, and I look forward to showing up in front of you guys sometime.
Thank you, Jordan, and thank you, Minji. And so we now conclude this admission ceremony. And again, on behalf of the Supreme Court, my colleagues, we wish you all the best. The matter is concluded and this court is adjourned. Thank you and goodbye.